Hey YouTube, hey, want to make a real quick video. Got the new mag wheel in, got it on the bike. There's the old spoked wheel, new mag wheel. So the mag wheel that I purchased, I got it off of eBay. This is actually for, it's for an older AMF Harley Davidson. Maybe here's the part number. There's the part number for it. So it is a 19-inch. I think this one's like 2 1/4 or something like that wide, but yeah, original paperwork that came with it, bowls, Loctite, all that crap. So to make this work, because it is narrower than the stock wheel, it's like I said, I think I'll try to set this up here if it will stay. Maybe. Let me see if I can get the 2 wheels. Alright, it doesn't want to stay, so we'll go over here. Kind of set them here. So, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but you're about 1 inch narrower, which, I mean, gives you kind of an idea there of the difference. So, to fix that issue, I use the original spacers. This would be the original spacer that I believe went on this side over here, and then the washer that's here was on this side. So I put them both on this side of the wheel, and then basically how I decided and came up with this is I measured out off the fender mounts here, off of either side. Set that up there on the wheel. It's 1 inch. Come over here to the other side. Did the same thing. It's 1 inch. So basically centered the rim in the front end of the bike here, and then just kind of played around until I got my spacing and measured out, you know, from here to here. So right now this wheel, it's not tightened down all the way, so there's still just a little bit of play. That's why I'm able to spin this one with my finger, but once I get this all tightened up, should work great. But spins free, rotor's in the right place. So on the rotor, I don't know how well, let me try to get in there, how well you guys can see it, all of that, but space the rotor out. I used half inch spacers to make the rotor work. So half inch spacers, 2 inch new bolts here to go through to hold the rotor in place, and yeah, it seems to work. So kind of wanted to throw that out there. So if anybody's looking to put a mag wheel on a Sportster and get rid of their spoked wheel, yes, it can be done. Again, this one's off of an older AMF Harley. That's what it's for. I think 78, something around in there is what year this was for, but it does work. So super excited to get that on there. I'm going to pull it back off now, get the tire mounted, and then tighten everything up and see how it goes. But again, wanted to throw this out there because on eBay I think I paid around 120 bucks for this rim, and everything I was looking at for the newer bikes, you know, that come off newer Sportsters, crap, I couldn't touch a used one for 200 bucks, it seemed like. So now spoked ones were kind of all over the place, but really excited to have front mag wheel on there. All right, guys, gonna continue on the front wheel conversion on the 06 Sportster. Got the new mag wheel put on, tire on, everything bolted down. So that way you guys can see the spacers in there, the 2 stock spacers, and then I've got another washer I went and bought. So got that side done, and then that spacer on this side. So yeah, everything went together really nice. So I believe the ones are 5/8 is what I bought, a 5/8, and I think the other side is like an 1/8 inch, and then the 1/2 inch spacers for for the actual brake for the disc itself. So, but yeah, that's what it looks like on the bike. Quite happy with it. Like it a lot better than the spoked wheel. So one thing I may do in the future is pull the back off and powder coat it black, or just paint I may even just paint it and leave the outer ring to match the front. But really, it's not that noticeable. Hell, most of the back tire's covered up anyway. But yeah, that's what she looks like right now. So far, haven't had a chance to go out and ride with the new Saddleman 0 hour seat. So I've got a video of that coming too as well. I'm doing a comparison with the Bilwell Mongoose seat versus the Saddleman step up. So basically, this is a Saddleman step up seat, just by 0 hours. But I really like the looks of it. So far, sitting on the bike, it feels like it lets me sit back a little further, and I'm not quite pushing up this far. Which I'll do the side-by-side comparison of the two seats, and you can see it's not a lot, but you know, an inch is quite a bit on a bike like this. So, but yeah, next step will be to take it out and do a ride. I still have one thing left on the bike, the front exhaust pipe here. The bolts fell out of it. I don't know how well you guys can see that, so it's loose currently. So I've got to get that all tightened back up. I think actually the gasket might have blown out of it too. So joys. But anyway, I'll get that all tightened back up, and we'll be ready to take the bike out and see how it rides. So again, anybody has any questions, I'll try to link the rim below where I got it there off of eBay. And yeah, again, you guys, if you like the content, please subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks again.